Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace fuel pump Ford Focus full guide. Begin by disconnecting the battery and relieving fuel pressure to avoid sparks and spills. Remove the rear seat cushion and access cover to expose the pump assembly, then label and disconnect electrical connectors and fuel lines. Keep a clean tray for small parts and inspect seals and gaskets for wear. Replace the fuel filter if applicable and test for leaks before finishing. Gather tools and parts before you start so the job flows smoothly and safely. You will need socket sets, a torque wrench, fuel line disconnect tools, replacement pump or module, and new seals. Keep a small container handy for fuel and absorbent rags for spills, and wear gloves and eye protection. Working prepared saves time and helps prevent mistakes, so double-check part numbers and inspect the new pump for damage before installing it. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Link in the description for anyone who wants one. I thought it paired nicely with cleaning and maintenance while you work on the car. Check the description for that link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by relieving fuel pressure and disconnecting the battery to avoid sparks and shocks. Remove the access plate or lower the tank, support it securely, and disconnect fuel lines and electrical connectors with care. Remove the retaining ring, swap the pump module, and replace all seals and the fuel filter if present. Reconnect lines and connectors, secure the tank or plate, restore battery power, prime the system, and check thoroughly for leaks and correct operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.